just flipped it over like real quick, and that was it.
You know, they don't play, bro. It's all good, though. Now you at least you know, bro. We gonna run it up. Okay, we gonna run it. I know. Right when you got the glory stick, like,
Bruh,
I
bruh,
know, bro. I know. It just took your soul.
bruh, bruh. I'm just
Oh
why,
man, I know, bro. It's okay, bro. I already know, man. I know you were like hard hit, mother.
yeah. I said that. I said that. I said that. I said you hard hit. What I just tell
I
you?
already know. I know.
Damn it, boy.
First thing popped in my head too, bro. Damn. Yeah, man.
The
I
first
already
day,
knew. I'm like, and we were just
hey,
getting it
the
going.
first day I learned how to do the joint that you showed me on the live, and this happened.
And it was gonna get popping. And I told you,
Yeah,
I said, bro, it's on. We was ready. Damn. Man, people just don't know how to act, bro. For
yeah.
real.
I told him. I said no. I said no, 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 don't, no, no, and it was too late.
I ain't gonna have say if y'all want to start this shit, we can start it up. Y'all know y'all don't know which line y'all think y'all on, but say we can crank this bitch up now. I'm just trying to make sure now, cause we could go for a smoke. You know what I'm
Oh
talking
yeah.
about? Cause I'm like, man, it's like we got some goofballs in this bitch. Y'all ready
Hey,
for this shit? You
voodoo.
hear
I
me?
see you. I see you. I see you.
Man, you already know, bro. Say we acting bad. I told you, bro. They can't stop us, bro. We from running the bitch up anyway. So y'all go subscribe to my bro channel. No cap, man. Man, say from the bottom to the top, we gonna keep rocking, man. All they doing now, give you time to hey, work this channel now. That's all they
Yeah,
doing.
yeah,
That's
yeah. I
all.
mean,
That's
hey,
all.
hey, hey. Look, can I kick a dummy out of here, bro?
Go ahead, nigga. You got the power, man. You already
Have
know me, man.
have a nice day,
Shit.
bro. Have a nice
Okay,
day, bro.
you can hide that bitch ass. You already
Yeah,
know me. I don't give a damn.
he wildin', bro. He wildin', bro. Like we ain't got time for that, bro. We on some different.
You know what I'm
Like,
talking about? We talking about how to get it, man. I
bro,
feel you, bro.
I'm
Sometimes,
cooling with
hey,
my
like I
listen. I'm cooling with my bro, and he in here talking about some wild, crazy. We ain't got time for that. we on something else.
okay, Miss Farmer said she already subscribed to your new channel, so yo, we getting it up
Yes,
there. You
appreciate it.
did,
Yeah,
yeah. You
appreciate
already
it.
know. We gonna get it up, my bro. We gonna post that shit, share that shit, bro. It's
Yeah,
all good.
dancing,
Everybody who just came to this live, go subscribe to my bro channel. You did.
dancing.
AR Fan 2. No
What's
cap,
up,
y'all. We gonna keep
dancing?
it popping, y'all. No cap. We
Thank you,
gonna get to
dancing.
this list. No cap.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, dancing. Appreciate it. Yep, you
Already,
know what it
everybody
is.
come to this live. Come on, y'all. Go subscribe. Go subscribe. We're gonna run it up, y'all. No cap, man. It's time, y'all. You
Oh
time to
yeah,
show love. Like,
yeah.
you
You
know, when
gotta.
y'all at church, come on down. Come on down and subscribe, y'all. You
It
hear
don't
me?
cost you nothing.
Okay, no. It don't cost you nothing, man.
It don't
Come
cost you
on.
nothing.
Subscribe
Yeah.
on the spot.
Hey,
It's
hit
gonna
the
real
like.
ass
Hit the
fun.
like button over here. Also, too. Come
Yeah,
on.
man, we ain't playing no games, man. You
Run it
did.
up.
We're doing a promotion right now. We're doing a promotion right now. You did. We got a promo
I
going
wish
on.
I could double tap the screen, but I can't.
Say y'all, no cap, man. This is what we doing, man. We trying to run up my broad channel, y'all. No cap, man. You hear me? Go subscribe to this channel right now. Everybody, put it on blast. Let's go, y'all. Come on. Anybody come to this live, y'all? We put it on spot. Let's go. We gotta run it up, y'all. You hear me? They can't stop us, man. They better get their mind right, man. What
Yeah,
my girl
facts.
told me that I said, oh shit.
Yeah, facts.
She told me, she said, "Oh man, I think they gave him a strike or something because man, his homeboy showed his gun." I said, "Oh no," she said, "I think he touched." I said, "Oh hell no."
Yeah, yeah, he did, bro. He did, bro. He did. Yep. And I was like,
Damn,
I mean, he was like, he don't care about getting strike. I was like, nah, it's me though. It's my
no,
life.
I already got you, man. Damn,
Yeah,
yeah, man, you striking both of us, shit.
that's a, that's all right.
Ah, look at that. An eagle and a cowboy fan can't be friends. Oh yes, we can. We changing the game. What you talking about? We changing the game. Yeah, they messing their head up like, damn, look at that. Yeah, you see that eagle, you see that cowboy. Hey, it is what it is. You did. Yeah,
That's
man.
my bro, man. That's
Just
who
wait till
showed
the
me.
sequel get popping.
Listen, that's who showed me the game, bro. So